Today, I am reviewing the new Laura Mercier Under Eye Brightening Setting Powders. So, I'm going to let you know, do these work under mature eyes? I'm going to put them to the test. I'm going to let you know. We're going to look at all the colors and let's get into the video. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm reviewing the Laura Mercier Under Eye Brightening Powder. I actually already have it under this eye here, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But I'm going to talk a little bit about this first, and then I'm going to apply it, and I'm going to let you know what I think. Okay. These were gifted to me. This is not sponsored. If you've been following me for a while, then you know just because a company sends me products doesn't mean I'm always going to just automatically love it. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't, but I let you know either way. This is the Secret Brightening Color Correcting Under Eye Setting Powder. This comes in 5 shades and it retails for $35. And what it says is it's a impeccable lighter than air powder that smooths a delicate under eye area to lock in concealer in place for awakened eyes. Infused with light reflecting pearls. Don't let that scare you. Just telling you right now, don't let that scare you. And perfectly calibrated peach pink pigments that brighten under eye, color correct discoloration and darkness on every skin tone. This is peach. This is translucent. There. And I'm going to show you, I'm not going to swatch all these because they're so light. Even this one, I don't think you're going to be able to see it. Barely see it. You don't see sparkles. So don't judge it by the description, okay? This is Enrich Peach, which I think is best for deeper skin tones. There we go. There we go. Soft pink. Then we have golden. They also gifted me this brush because there is a way that you're supposed to put this on. So you don't want to use too much of this. You have to have a light hand and you want to press it into your skin. So I'm going to show you. I'm just going to tell you right now, I love it. I really do. So let me put this on. I'm going to use the translucent today. I'm going to tell you, I don't find it to be, I got to tap it off because you really don't want to use a lot. Okay. And I'm still going to tap it more. Okay. Just that much. I really, really like this. Let's see which one. They got this one right here. So you want to press it in like this and kind of roll it like you would do. I'm going to flip it over. If you were using a velour puff, same way. So I really like this brush as well, I will tell you. So let me show you what it looks like. Close up, you can see both. My eyes, they don't look dry and crepey looking. I have it on both. What I like about this is it is a very, very finely milled powder. It doesn't look drying. It doesn't feel drying. And I just love it. You guys know that I have loved Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Filter Powder for years. It's been a repurchase for me. I wouldn't say it's exactly that, but it's very close in a loose powder form because it is very, very finely milled. I mean, I think it looks amazing. It doesn't, like I said, it doesn't look drying under my eyes. It kicks down that shine a little bit, not as much as the Charlotte does. But if you're somebody that's used the Charlotte Tilbury and you don't like it, because I know some of you have felt like that one's drying for you, which I've never had that, then this one could be for you. And since it has a light, I'm going to see what it looks like in this lighting. See, I don't see any reflective, it says it has reflective light in there, but I mean, I'm under lights and I don't even see it. And I have a 10 times mirror and I do not see it. So if you're afraid that you're going to see like this sparkles, you're not going to see it with this. You won't see it with this. This is really a lovely powder. I really like this a lot. So I really like these powders. I think that they are fabulous. I really, really do. I love how tiny they are too. They're great for travel, and this little one will last you a while. So if you are somebody that likes to set your under eyes, but you have mature eyes and you're kind of worried, come here. Let me zoom you in for a second. You see it? This has been on for almost an hour now. I think it looks pretty good. It's a very, very finely milled powder. It's not going to look heavy. You do not want to use a lot. Okay, you don't. You never want to under your eyes, anyways. Whether it's concealer or whatever, you just don't want to use a lot of product. I do really like the brush. I think it's a really, really nice brush too. You're going to get what you need. Another that's really, really nice, and I don't have it in here, is from BK Beauty. They have a couple flat brushes. Now they're not as flat as this. See how flat this is? I feel like this would be better. I feel like with those brushes, you might get a little too much product. I feel like this brush was definitely made for these powders because you really don't want to use very much product. Dip it in there. You want to tap it off a little bit. You could even work it in your brush, your back of your hand like that too, which I didn't do on video, but you can. And then you want to just go ahead and press it in. You don't want to use a lot of product. So I really like it. I don't find that it's really brightening. Do you think it looks bright under my eyes? I don't feel like it really brightened them to me. Maybe it does. You tell me if you noticed my under eyes look more brighter today, but I don't feel like they did. I just feel like it's a nice setting powder for my concealer. So that is where I'm going to leave it. Thank you so much for joining me. Really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. I would greatly appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like, share, comment on the video. Helps push them out to the algorithm. Would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.